ABML Morning Update. Diplomacy at its best. Hormuz opens for 2 weeks. US suspends bombing for 2 weeks. Global markets. The S&P 500 posted a slim gain on Tuesday as traders grew hopeful that a proposal brokered by Pakistan may result in an 11th-hour deal between the US and Iran. The broad market index inched up 0.08% and closed at 6,616.85, while the Nasdaq Composite advanced 0.10% to settle at 22,017.85. The Dow Jones Industrial Average shed 85.42 points or 0.18%, closing at 46,584.46. Trump's remarks kept investors on edge throughout the session, initially weighing down on stocks and pushing oil prices higher. Ultimately, oil ended the day little changed. West Texas Intermediate crude futures settled up 54 cents to $112.95 per barrel. International Brent crude futures dipped 15 cents to $109.62 a barrel. The Stoxx 600 index, European markets, posted a negative 1.01% return on Tuesday. Domestic market. Indian equity indices ended on a positive note on April 7th. At close, the Sensex was up 0.69% at 74,617 and Nifty was up 0.68% at 23,124. GIFT Nifty trades higher by 669 points at 23,806, signaling a positive start to the trading session. India's financial system is beginning to reflect second-order stress from the West Asia conflict as elevated energy prices and liquidity pressures transmit beyond the immediate oil shock into broader macro-financial conditions. With crude sustaining above $100 per barrel, imported inflation risks have intensified, exerting pressure on the current account and tightening domestic liquidity conditions. Banking system dynamics are also evolving, with rising funding costs and cautious credit expansion trends indicating early signs of risk recalibration. The external sector remains vulnerable as higher import bills and currency volatility weigh on capital flows and balance of payment stability. Meanwhile, segments exposed to energy-intensive inputs are witnessing margin compression, indirectly impacting asset quality outlook within the financial ecosystem. While systemic resilience remains intact, the persistence of elevated commodity prices and global uncertainty could gradually amplify stress across India's financial channels, warranting close policy monitoring. Focus for the day. India interest rate decision. US crude oil. UK PMI. Key corporate development/policy actions. Infosys announced a strategic collaboration with Harness to accelerate agentic AI-led software delivery transformation for enterprises globally. Kotak Mahindra Bank faces regulatory overhang as Enforcement Directorate registered a case against the bank, certain officials and private entities in connection with the Chandigarh fraud matter. Tata Steel delivered strong operational performance with Q4 FY26. India crude steel production rising 15% YoY to 6.25 million tons and FY26 production up 8% YoY to 23.48 million tons alongside record deliveries of 22.53 million tons. Biocon launched denosumab biosimilars, Bosaya and Okelso in the US following FDA approval, expanding its biosimilars portfolio in an approximately $5 billion US market and access to large osteoporosis and oncology markets. Fund flow. FII sold shares worth 86.92 billion rupees, while DII bought for 79.79 billion rupees.
Investment in securities markets are subjected to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.